Bone idle, unpacking the phrase. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have come across or will encounter in the future, bone idle. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meaning and how to use it. Let's get started. Bone idle is a colloquial term which essentially means very lazy or unwilling to work. Let's break this down. Bone. In many cultures and languages, bones are considered the foundation or core of something, especially the body. Idle. This word means not active or not in use. When you combine them, you get a description of someone who is so lazy. It's as if the laziness is deep in their bones. Understanding a phrase is half the battle. Knowing how to use it in context is equally crucial. Here are some examples of how bone idle might be used. 1. He won't even lift a finger to help. He's bone idle. 2. I can't believe she hasn't finished her project yet. She's been bone idle all week. 3. If you're bone idle, you'll never achieve your dreams. If you understand bone idle, you'll find it easier to grasp related terms. Here are some synonyms: lethargic, sluggish, indolent, torpid. Remember, while all these terms relate to laziness, their usage can vary based on context. Bone idle is more informal and is often used for emphasis. There you have it, the meaning of bone idle and its usage in the English language. It's a fun phrase to know, and now you can confidently use it in conversations or understand it when you come across it. We hope you found this explainer valuable. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.